What's up guys, it's Clouder from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to add a home affordability calculator into your WordPress website into a simple, fast and effective method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, let's go to the parts. First, log into your WordPress dashboard, review left sidebar of menus, and hover mouse over plugins and click into the submenu Add New Plugin. Into the upper right corner of our screen, there is a field called Search Plugins. Click and type Home Affordability Calculator. Here is the guide that we're looking for. Okay, it's a great plugin, by the way. Click on Install Now. We're gonna be installing, then click into the Activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on our site. Review, once again, the left sidebar of menus on the WordPress website, and next to settings you're gonna be able to find a new menu called Affordability Calculator. Click on it. There is only a short code, okay? We're gonna explore the settings later, but copy this short code, go to the page that you would like to apply your calculator. I'm gonna go to page, click on add new page. Then can you see this plus button right here? Click on add block and search for a widget called shortcode. Click on it and enter the plugin shortcode that you just copied right here. Simple, right? Give a title to your page and let's see the results we got. Of course, you can add more content like paragraphs, images, texts, headers, up to you. I'm just gonna add the shortcode to make the video faster. And here is the result you got, okay? Gross annual income before tax. Let me fix this to a bigger number maybe. So, according to the data that the user enters right here, you can see the results changing. And if the user wants, they can, for example, enter their name, email addresses. They can enter your name and email address and receive this report by email. And of course, you're gonna collect leads. It's a very complete work right here, okay? Of course, you can use the CSS to customize the plugin. In the case that you want to change colors, for example. Not here to explain this, but feel free to use the comment section in the case that you want to know more. Now, let's explore the plugin settings, okay? We have settings field. Colors are pro features, but as I told you, you can use CSS in the case that you want. And right here, we have other options. Monthly debits, you can change the labels in the case that you want, the default values. All the content right here can be changed to, for example, change your site language or to data that makes more sense to your public, okay? Then we have PDF and emails. You can see some features right here. We have the leads, okay? If some person use this form right here, you're gonna be collecting some more leads right here, okay? And you can enter this into some servicing like mailing, for example, to use these leads as you wish. Simple, easy, and very, very effective. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I see you tomorrow. All the best.